In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your emails with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have Gmail connected to your Monday.com board so you can streamline communication, automate follow-ups, and keep your team aligned without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your Monday.com account and heading to the home screen. At the top of the interface, look for the small puzzle piece icon. That's your gateway to the marketplace, where all apps and integrations live. Click it to open the apps and integrations area. You'll see categories you can browse if you want to explore, but for a faster path, use the search. In the search bar, type Gmail. This filters the results to the Gmail integration we need. Click on the Gmail result to open its listing. You'll notice it's a built-in integration, which means it's officially supported and maintained for a smooth setup and reliable performance. From here, select Use App. This tells Monday.com you want to add the Gmail integration to your account. Next, choose the workspace where you want this integration to live. Pick the workspace that houses the team or process tied to your email workflows. Think sales, customer support, account management, or any area that relies on consistent email communication. After that, choose the specific board where you want to apply the integration. This is important. The board should represent the items you'll be emailing about: leads, tickets, projects, or tasks. Selecting the right board ensures your automations fire in the right place and your emails stay contextual. Once you've selected the workspace and board, click Add App. Monday.com will install the Gmail integration for that board. When it's ready, you'll land on the board and see the Gmail automation options available to you. This is where you'll find pre-built recipes that let you do things like send an email when a status changes, create or update items based on incoming emails, or keep a conversation log tied to an item. If you're enabling a recipe for the first time, you may be prompted to connect your Gmail account and grant permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete that connection. A quick tip: choose a naming convention for your automation so teammates instantly understand what each one does, and test changes on a sample item before rolling them out widely. That's it. You opened the marketplace, found Gmail, added the built-in app, picked your workspace and board, and viewed the available automation recipes to put your emails to work inside Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more streamlined inbox to board workflow.